Hello and welcome to our video presentation for biology. Today we are diving into a groundbreaking topic in reproductive biology, which is artificial gametogenesis. Let's start with our central question. What if human reproduction no longer relied on traditional egg and sperm formation? Imagine a world where anyone's skin cells could be turned into functional reproductive cells. In such a world, infertility could become a thing of the past. This isn't just a wild theory, it's the core idea behind artificial gametogenesis, a rapidly evolving field that combines stem cell science, genetics, and developmental biology. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how this process works, its potential applications, and the important questions it raises. One of the biggest scientific challenges in artificial gametogenesis is meiosis, a complex process that natural gametes undergo. Meiosis reduces the chromosome number from diploid to haploid, which is essential for producing healthy offspring with the right number of chromosomes. It also introduces genetic diversity through homologous recombinations, which shuffle genes between chromosome pairs. In artificial settings, however, replicating meiosis accurately is different. Errors in chromosome segregation can lead to aneuploidy, such as Down syndrome. Incomplete crossover even results in the unstable genomes. Another major concern is epigenetic resetting, the erasure and reprogramming of parental genomic memory. Without these results, the resulting gametes might carry unwanted genetic baggage from the original somatic cell. Introduction to artificial gametogenesis and meiosis. So what exactly is artificial gametogenesis? It is the process of generating sperm and egg cells from ordinary blood cells like skin or blood. This is done by reprogramming these cells into induced stem cells, also called iPSCs. These are the stem cells that can become virtually any type of cell in the body, including gametes. Researchers then guide these iPSCs through carefully controlled lab environments to mimic meiosis, allowing them to becoming functioning reproductive cells. This method holds enormous potential for couples who cannot conceive naturally due to infertility or genetic conditions. Turning skin cells into sperms and eggs. Here's how the transformations happen in simple terms. First, a skin cell, a fully developed body cell, is collected. Using specific genes and chemical signals, it's reprogrammed into pluripotent stem cells, essentially resetting it to the embryonic life state. From there, scientists attempt to coax the cell down the path towards becoming either a sperm or egg cell. If successful, these lab-made gametes could be used in vitro fertilization to create embryos. This technique, though still in experimental stages, could one day offer new reproductive options for individuals and couples who previously had no path to biological parenthood. Advancements from mice to humans. Well, much of the progress in this field comes from the animal studies. In 2016, Japanese scientists successfully created viable mouse offspring using artificial egg cells derived from skin cells. In human research, scientists have managed to create early stage eggs and sperm-like cells in laboratory settings. While these cells aren't fully functional yet, the progress is promising. Current studies focus on understanding the gene expression patterns involved in gamete development and refining lab conditions to support the full transformation from iPSCs to gametes. While full-scale human reproduction using artificial gametes is still under investigations, the foundation is being laid step by step. Reproductive revolution. This technology is more than just a cure for infertility. It's a revolution in reproduction. It could allow same-sex couples or single individuals to have biological children using only their own skin cells. It could also be used to prevent certain genetic diseases by carefully selecting or editing gametes. In essence, artificial gametogenesis has the potential to broaden access to parenthood, reshape family structures, and bring equality to people traditionally left out of the reproductive medicines. Experimental highlight. This concept isn't just theoretical. Researchers are actively experimenting with turning stem cells into functional gametes. These experiments test whether skin-derived cells can undergo meiosis properly and results in gametes that can fertilize and lead to healthy embryos. While we are not here yet with humans, the potential is enormous. It's one of the most exciting frontiers in reproductive and stem cell research. Ethical and social implications. With great power comes great responsibility. Artificial gametogenesis raises a host of ethical and social questions. Some of the questions are: could this lead to designer babies? If parents start choosing traits, it might worsen social inequality. There is a there is a risk of DNA theft where someone's cells could be used without their consent to create a child. Family structures would change dramatically. What does parenthood means when any cell can make a big child? Religious and philosophical groups may see this as playing God, while others view it as a miracle of science. Lastly, it challenges our understanding of human identity and biology. It redefines what it means to be created, born, and to belong to a family. The questions are: in conclusion, artificial gametogenesis represents a huge step forward in reproductive medicine and genetic science. It could eliminate infertility, expand family building options, and enhance our understanding of early development. But to ensure safety and effectiveness, scientists must master meiosis, control chromosome segregation, and refine epigenetic reprogramming. Only then we can create functional, stable, and healthy gametes from stem cells. The path ahead. As we look to the future, challenges still lie ahead. Artificial gametes must replicate the complexity of natural reproduction. This includes undergoing proper recombination and DNA repair. Further research is needed to prevent genetic errors and ensure long-term safety. But the vision is clear. Artificial gametogenesis could reshape biology, giving new hope to families and advancing genetic technologies like never before.